It's getting weird.
Yeah, it's getting a little weird. Stop it there. Grab some PB Blaster. Load it in there.
That's not PB Blaster.
I understand.
What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of the Modern Diesel family. And today we have returned to the land of Powerstrokes. You can't really see it because it's dark, but yeah, let's go. Oh, you got shorts on.
Dude, why do you drink such fucking girly coffee?
This is a nitro cold brew.
What's so great about it? What's a nitro cold brew?
The best coffee.
It's what those 300D drivers drink, dude.
I don't drink Starbucks, but when I do, it's nitro cold brew.
One you blame.
All right, so Ronnie, inform, you know, what's going on here. Let me get an update. I thought you were messing with me.
They were doing something with his truck, right? Whatever Dan and him were doing.
We were messing with the truck.
He sets his camera down. Looking all around, blaming me as I'm working.
He's in the process of lifting the cab.
That I hit his camera to screw with him.
I thought you did.
So he looked all over the shop, was driving around, thought he left it on his bedside, and his dumb ass.
So hold on, wait. So what happened was I thought I set it on the bedside whenever me and Dan were messing with the truck, and then we took it for a test drive, and I thought that, you know, I left it there, we drove away, and it flew off. But so I'm driving around looking, I'm like, oh shoot, I gotta go get it before someone runs it over. I thought it was a goner. I actually wrote the camera off. I thought it was gone. But then I get a text from Amy saying it's here.
And he left it right behind the hoodie.
Right behind the hoodie. Dude, I swear to you, I don't remember putting it there.
You don't know where you put it.
Long story short, we got the camera back. All right, so you ready to lift the cab?
I am. Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. This is a cab lift on a, what year is this? 11 or 12? Or 13?
12, but there's really no difference.
Okay, so yeah, some year F350, 6.7 Powerstroke.
So this was originally the project build that we were supposed to make, like, whatever.
This was the race truck. I've made a video about this truck on the channel, so now it's finally getting around to going.
Yeah, so
Ronnie here has been working away while I'm driving around looking for the camera, thinking it's flying off the bedside, and I think it's time.
This isn't the prettiest one. They previously took it apart at a shop because it was blown up. It spun a lifter sideways. So,
how many miles are on the truck? 300 some thousand?
326.
320-ish thousand miles. 320-ish thousand miles, which is that's pretty gosh darn good, man. For you know, like I don't know.
And it was an Oilfield truck, so we don't know how many idle hours this thing had.
Right. Oilfield truck, spun a lifter, 333,000 miles. Cab is going up. Hit it. Are you checking it?
Yeah, you take it slow.
Okay, I thought you were clear. My fault. I thought you were good to go. I thought he was good. He's not good. He's still checking everything.
Just in case, like there's a wire attached.
I get it. I definitely get it.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty easy. Anything that connects from the cab to the engine, you should disconnect.
Oh yeah, you're good. Yep, send it. All right, guys, here you go. This is what a 330-ish thousand mile 6.7 Powerstroke looks like.
I'm surprised.
From the Oilfield. No, I was just saying that. I mean, it's pretty good for being what it was, you know, like used and abused.
We did have a cab bolt break there.
It's pretty gosh darn good. Is that like really the only issue? Was the cab bolt broke that was just so rusty?
Dude, Corey, you know what you need to do in a video?
What?
You need to put not a delete on, but we make some.
Can't do deletes anymore.
No, of course not. But like for the EGR, we have this test plate.
Right.
Yeah. So like when you're shifting your engine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you should try that out.
The EGR test kit for the engine ships.
Yeah, so like when you ship it, you know, no dirt gets...
Right, you got to cover the holes.
Yeah, exactly.
So mice and crud don't get down in there.
I didn't say mud, I said crud.
But seriously, guys, this is what you got. It seems like a lot, but it's actually pretty cut and dry. I always thought lifting the cab was like super intense, right?
I mean, like before you do it, yeah, and then like when you actually do it, I mean, honestly, if everything works with you, and cab bolts are normally a pain in the ass.
Right.
I mean, I've had on a truck that was actually like everything was cake, a cab up in an hour.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, it's not that bad. After seeing it like for myself in person, it's honestly not that bad. There it is. All right, so if you guys ever find yourself wanting to change your EGR or whatever you're gonna do to work on your EGR, I'm not implying anything here, right?
I wouldn't be either. But sometimes things need clean.
Yeah, you don't want to clean it, you know, you want to paint it, you want to do something cool with it, you know, whatever you want to do. But those two bolts there, if anyone with a 6.7 Powerstroke knows that these are notorious for breaking.
All the time.
All the time. So this is a 2011-12, whatever truck with 333,000 miles on it. So let's see if these ones break.
So
Like statistically, with this truck here, it's like 90% chance it's gonna break. Maybe even 100.
like 99.9.
99.9%
Yeah,
chance
so we're gonna
gonna
try
break.
and get them out. And I'll show you guys how I generally do it. So, wow. Okay.
That wasn't even tight. Wow, check that out. Okay, so go back to the back one.
That's actually the actually normally I believe this one's the one that normally breaks, but I can't remember.
If these come out, this is like 1 in 100. Oh my God, that's never been off either. Look how dirty it is.
Yeah.
Okay, well, how about just how would you do it if they were to break?
Well, in theory, all right. So if you can somehow crack it loose, and you can get it up, you know, 1/8 inch or whatever it may be.
Oh, so they don't break from the bottom? Like they'll come out a little bit and then they'll break?
Sometimes.
It's happened before?
Sometimes. So the best thing to do is honestly run your truck, get it nice and hot before you take this off. So go out there, beat on it, and then start to remove the bolts. So if it comes out a little bit and then you feel it tighten up, and you're gonna know what I mean when it happens, you're gonna be like, ah.
It's getting weird.
Yeah, it's getting a little weird. Stop it there, grab some PB Blaster, load it in there.
That's not PB Blaster.
I understand. Penetrating blaster, tighten it down.
Okay, so send it back down.
As far as it'll go, then hit, you know, to turn it out more, and then try to get it just a little bit past that. Maybe if it's a quarter turn, trust me, the 25 minutes it takes to get out this bolt will be so much better than taking off your upper intake manifold and having to drill a hardened bolt out and also tap that.
Yeah, that turns into a nightmare.
Generally, you got to drill it out, and then you drill it out bigger to like instead of an M6 bolt, an M8.
Right.
And tap it.
I've seen guys just rotate the thing on there and drill a new hole and tap it. Is that frowned upon?
I mean, you could do it. I generally don't do it that way normally because, like, generally, I've never had both break. I don't believe I have. So I'll normally bolt one side of the plate down like that.
Right.
And just stick the drill bit in there and just kind of guide it down.
Yeah, okay. Well, there you go, guys. That's a sweet inside tech tip from the man himself. So basically, these ones were a dream and they came right out.
I'm impressed. 326,000.
That's a lot of miles, and this truck's pretty old, and everything in here is really dirty. This was an Oilfield truck, commercially used, and those suckers came right out. So I don't know. So if you guys want to see exactly the actual damage here, do you see that? Maybe if I can get it to focus, that cam lobe right there,
The right one.
the right one.
What?
The right one is where the actual lifter got messed up and messed up the cam. It's not like horrible though.
No, I mean, I doubt it could be ground, but I mean, it's still could be way worse.
There you go. Now you guys can see it. Did it wipe out that head?
Well, I'm imagining since the valves didn't hit the piston, probably no. But the people that tore it apart previously left the head in the bed of the truck and it rained. So
Yeah, so you guys bought this truck with it tore down like this.
yeah. So, I mean, but to be expected, like I mean, we knew what we were getting into anyway, so.
Look at that rusty block right there. Holy smokes.
It'll look clean.
So, I don't know. There you guys go. If you guys were wondering what happens when a lifter spins, it wasn't too much like carnage, but definitely you can see on that one cam lobe there.
And grew up watching 90s WWF. Make sure.
Dude, this dude's so funny.
By bringing it to the brink. And
what do you think about that?
I love him.
Jesus. And then if you really want to get weird.
Alrighty guys, that was my day down at SPE. Little inside look at pulling a cab on a 6.7 Powerstroke. I haven't seen many of those, or if any, on YouTube, so there you go. It wasn't a how-to, it was just kind of, you know, what it looked like once the cab was in the air. But guys, hit that subscribe button, join the Modern Diesel family. I am on my way back to the house. I am trying to avoid traffic, but stay tuned for some more videos coming your way this week. We have a whole bunch of stuff planned as always, but if you guys are not following me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey, follow me there. Check out some inside daily look at, you know, just whatever's going on that day. But as always, I will catch you guys on the next one.